From holes in the wall to grand buffets, Chinese cuisine is widely popular in New York City. Although there is no true count, its popularity indicates there are thousands of establishments in the 5 boroughs. Whether it was a Friday night after choir rehearsal, a quick stop on the way home from the train station after work, or a planned outing with the fam, it was a welcome cultural experience that kept our bellies full. Join us for another nod to the city which we were raised in, with our special twist, of course. Let's gather the ingredients. Shredded collard greens, chopped scallion, ginger and garlic paste, chopped red pepper and chopped onion, a chopped smoked turkey leg, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and mirin. And of course, don't forget your white rice. Make sure it has been cooked and refrigerated. You can always do a cheat by purchasing a quart from your local Chinese restaurant. And for your rib tips, you're gonna need Chinese 5-spice, salt and pepper, your favorite barbecue sauce, some flour, and of course your rib tips. First, heat your oil in your pot on medium-low heat. Then chop your rib tips into smaller pieces. Season with salt and pepper. Then toss in your flour to evenly coat. Then set it aside. Prepare your sauce by mixing the barbecue sauce, the 5-spice seasoning, some mirin, and some brown sugar. Set your oven to 475 degrees. Then when the oil is hot, fry your rib tips until they are golden brown. Place a couple of tablespoons in your heavy skillet or your wok and heat on medium-high heat. When the rib tips are done, remove them from the oil and fry in batches until it's completed. When the skillet is nice and hot, don't get it smoking too much, you'll add your smoked turkey. Saute it until it gets a little caramelization. Then remove it from the pan. In that same pan, saute your veggies, your peppers, and your onions, and add a little oil if the pan is too dry. When your onions start getting translucent, add in your rice. And add in your garlic and your ginger paste.
Oh, that smells good. You smell it?
No. Then stir in all of your liquid ingredients, the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and mirin. Stir well in intervals, leaving time in between for the rice to get crunchy. Then comes our shredded collard greens and chopped scallions. And to finish, add your turkey back to the pan. Once all of the rib tips have finished frying, toss them in your sauce. Then line them up on a baking sheet that has been covered in foil. And bake on the top rack for about 15 minutes until they're golden and sticky. And there you have it, y'all. Our take on fried rice and rib tips. With our twist, of course. Make something yum, y'all. Zai Tien.